Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a perfect source file. In the MPG platform you can upload CSV, XLSL or ODS file from your computer, or enter a direct URL of sheets with public access. If you are working offline to prepare the data, you need access to some applications like Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice Calc, or Polaris Office. If you want to use a web-based platform, you can use Google Sheets. Here, you need to make sure you have given the public access to your sheet. Each column must have a header on the first row. The header cell should contain one or a few words. It can be upper or lower case and mix as per need. Try to avoid special characters like caret, hash, asterisk, etc., as it may cause trouble in parsing process of the source file in MPG. We recommend using special notions for headers that start with MPG underscore. For example, MPG underscore city, MPG underscore country underscore name. You must use MPG underscore shortcode notation or shortcode notation. Do not mix them. In this case, you want to use MPG or MPG underscore match shortcodes for iterating through source file and render links, like this example. You need to add the MPG underscore URL column to the source file. URL paths in this column must start with / and end with /2. Make sure that the URLs that you get should not include spaces. You can use special characters like minus, underscore, full stop, tilde, and /. It is best practice to make URLs in lowercase for better readability. Make sure to avoid non-UTF symbols in the cells. Try to keep the source file small and efficient. If you are planning to use 3 columns out of 10 columns, you can delete the remaining 7 columns, or create a duplicate file with 3 columns for MPG, as it will increase speed of loading generated pages. MPG supports CSV, xlsx, or ODS files. We recommend to use CSV files as it allows to increase performance of parsing source file multi-folds. Like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive useful tips in the future. If you have any question, leave a comment below or contact our support team.